Kids, come downstairs right now, I need to tell you something.
What is it, Dad?
Since your mom is out of town, I will take you three to school.
Oh, come on. I don't want to go to school. School sucks.
Well, too bad, classic Caillou, because you are going to school, and that's final. And I will tell you this, if you misbehave at school, you will be grounded. Do you understand?
Ugh, fine.
Good. Anyways, let's get in the car.
Good morning, class. Today, we are going to do math. We will do adding first. So, Caillou, what is 3 plus 4?
Is it 7?
That is correct. Well done, Caillou. I'm so proud of you. All right, Rosie, what is 10 plus 1?
Is it 21?
That is correct. Well done, Rosie. I'm so proud of you. All right, classic Caillou, what is 10 plus 20?
Was the answer 40?
Wrong. Classic Caillou, the answer is 30. You're an idiot. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now, you little brat.
God damn it.
Hey, watch your mouth, classic Caillou.
God damn it. I can't believe I'm been sent to the principal's office. Why? Because I'm always getting the questions wrong. I need a plan. I know, I will pull the fire alarm, and then, I will just go home. Ha 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 ha. Now it is time to take action. Aha, there it is. Now let's pull it.
Classic Caillou, why are you home early?
Because I got sent home early.
Oh, okay. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Anderson. This is Miss Clementine, Classic Caillou's principal.
Hello, Miss Clementine. What seems to be problem?
Well, basically, Classic Caillou just pulled the fire alarm and skipped school. He's now suspended for 10 months.
Oh my God. Thanks for telling me, Miss Clementine. I will going to punish him right now. Thanks for telling me. Bye. Classic Caillou, get your ass in here right freaking now. Classic Caillou, I got a call from your principal and she said you pulled the fire alarm and skipped school. Is this true? Tell me the truth, right now.
All right, fine. I was the one who pulled the fire alarm and skipped school. Because I hate school so much. Please don't ground me. I'm so sorry.
Classic Caillou, how freaking dare you pull the fire alarm and skip school? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 2,000 years. Go to your room, right fucking now.